Hi everyone and welcome back. Right, today we're going to be looking at a dash cam, a wiring kit and an SD card. So I'm not going to do everything in one video. I'll do all of this in one video, but then I'm thinking, shall I do the wiring and installing in another set of videos, because I don't want it lasting too long. So all I'm going to do is just show you the camera, the hardwire kit and a SD card. So I'll get it all out of the box and then we'll continue. So in the box you get your camera, your rear camera with a bracket and everything, plug to plug into your main camera, USB to USB-C, that's to download any photos. It's not like your Nextbase where you can do it through Wi-Fi. You get your power, which we're not going to really use, but it's got a handy USB where you can just plug into your phone if you need to extra. And you also get a sticky pad and a couple of screws for your rear camera. Instruction manual, which is virtually basic. Going through it, you know, it explains everything. You got your SD card reader, few cable fixings, and then a small, I don't know what you would do with that, but yeah, they provide it anyway, and a cleaning cloth. So all that relates to this package contents. You got your camera overview, important notice and everything. So it's just everything how to install and operate your camera. So all in pretty well packaged. This was £29.99 when I saw it, but then when I went to my basket it went down to £27.99. I've just looked online because I was going to provide a link for it. It's currently unavailable, so they're all gone. Oh yeah, as usual, made in China. There's the model number. If you, I'm not going to provide a link or anything to this because it's not there. Next up is the Hardwire kit. So here's the Hardwire kit. So in this packet, so you get your main lead, which is pretty good actually, for hardwiring cheap. This was I may as well tell you now, this was $9.99. Again, I had a look online to get you the link for it, but this was also from Amazon. $9.99, not available anymore, because I was going to order myself another one because it's pretty good kit for $9.99, with all honesty. And I'll tell you why. Right, you get this main lead. You also get adapters. So 2 different adapters, mini USB, and the other one, I don't know what it's called, but you can have a closer look. So these are the common ones that dash cams use, but you get spare ones with the USB-C. So you just plug it in. There you go. You can plug into a different camera. That's pretty good for a hard wiring kit. And you also get a proper tool to put all the wiring, tuck your wiring in. So I'm pretty chuffed. Oh, and you get some tie wraps, as cable ties as well. All in all, pretty good kit. Plus, this actually shuts down your camera if the voltage on your main battery, your car battery, goes to I think it was 11.8 volts. It just says it there. So you can freeze and have a look there. So this device actually does shut down so you don't drain your battery. So when it detects low voltage on your main car battery, it shuts down. Also, in this kit, you get these fuse adapters. I think it just about covers any car that uses mini and the small ones and the actual mini ones as well. So you got 4 different types. Or that alone cost quite a bit. So that's why it drew me to buying this kit, because of all the stuff you get in there, and also an instruction manual. So upside down, easy installation. It actually states it here with low voltage protection function. So there we go. So it does actually, it's 11.8. There we go. I think that's clearer. So that's the Hardwire kit covered. So the next one, I'll just shove this to one side. So you also need an SD card. So you need this one takes a micro SD card. So it needs to be adaptable to any form of dash cam. So I'm not going to go through it, but I'll leave you what it needs to be. There we go. It's all there. But the only thing is, this is a 64 gig. So more than enough for what I need it for. But for I think it was $5.99. Pretty good. So all you need to do is just format it in, and you should be on your way on that. And all in all, you just need to set up your camera to do parking. So I've covered all of this now. So I don't know how long the video's gone, but the next one I will cover is where you can locate your fuses and how to wire it. And then maybe in the same video, I'll probably hardwire it in as well. So, and then on the last one, this is my plan, but the last one, I think we'll compare it to a Nextbase, which I've got, which is a 512 GW with a rear view camera. So we'll compare the front cameras with this one. This one, cheap, but it does say full HD 1080. We'll see. We'll compare it with the Nextbase G12. 512 GW. Get my words mixed up. But all in all, we'll get this done and watch out for the next few videos. So on that note, if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Helps the channel grow. Subscribe, like and share. It helps the channel grow so much. I'd appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you on the next one.